This is the end of January, which means in about 6 weeks, this whole area is going to become transformed. It will be green. There will be pink cherry blossoms on all of these trees. And the biggest transformation will be the sea of people along the sidewalks and the cars jammed on the road. Right now, no one's here. Hi from the Tidal Basin. For 2026, there's a new section of cherry trees. The National Park Service has rebuilt the seawall. It is now much higher than it used to be. This would flood twice a day as the tides would come in and out, and it was just taking a devastating toll on the original cherry trees that used to be behind me. But now with the new seawall, things have changed. It's much more stable. They say they could even raise it another 5 feet if necessary. The Park Service removed over 130 trees, but in the project, they restored those trees plus another 100. So over 200 trees have been planted along the new section of the Tidal Basin. Although construction is completed, the pathway is not open for peak bloom this year. However, after the end of April, it will be open all the way around the Tidal Basin and of course for years to come. If you haven't already, check out my video on the cherry blossoms that I put out last year. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Yeah, I thought I'd be smart and come down at sunset. Usually less crowded. Not this year.